Bonjour les enfants, academic year 2020-2021, grade 5 second term, online lesson 2, une journée typique. Écoutez, lis, listen and read. So I will upload the audio file for you to listen and repeat. So listen it as much as possible time you want, and repeat the pronunciation of the each sentences, each description under the picture. You have the number and the description. So listen and repeat it over and over again until you get used to the French accent. Then for your convenient and for your knowledge, I have written the English meaning, so please refer the English meaning and the French. Compare the English meaning also. It's important to know the English meanings. There are about 12 descriptions on page number 94. So go through all the description and know the English meaning as well. Then we will see what are the exercises we are supposed to do on page number 95. On page number 95 you have exercise second one, that is la journée d'Olivier, Olivier's day. So you have lis le texte à la page 94 et fais les activités A jusqu'à C. Read the text on page 94 and do the activities A to C. So first one is mets les mots dans le bon ordre. So we will see. You find out there la journée. La journée means day, daytime, the durations, morning, night, afternoon, like this. Likewise you have. And on the right side you have les repas. Les repas mean the relevant meal. So you have l'après-midi, afternoon. So what is the meal there? Le déjeuner. Le déjeuner means lunch. Le matin, morning. Le petit déjeuner. La nuit is night. Le dîner. Le soir is evening, like le goûter. So those are the answers coming for the A1. Then B. B, they are asking you, trouve les mots dans le texte. Find out the words in the text. So they are giving some words you have to spot out from the text. We see what are those. Quatre nombres, 4 numbers. So what are the numbers you have? With the time indication you have the numbers. Sept is there. Huit is there. And you have this also there. Then neuf is there. Six is there likewise. Try to find out 4 numbers. Trois verbs, 3 verbs. So when you write in the verbs, you can write the subject and the conjugated verb you can write and underline that conjugated verb. So for example, je prends. So P-R-E-N-D-S. You write je prends and P-R-E-N-D-S underline. Je quitte. What else? Je mange. J'arrive. Arrive is the conjugated verb. Then les cours commencent. Then nous commençons. Then what else? Nous commençons. Je regarde. J'écoute. Likewise, there are so many. Deux bâtiments, 2 buildings. What are the buildings? L'école, school. Collège we can take. Then la cantine we can take. Then what else we have? Yes, those 2 you can use as the buildings. Then they are asking about une chose à manger, one thing to eat. So un sandwich is there, clearly mentioned there. You can take that word, un sandwich. Then trouve les paires, find out the number and the relevant letter. That is the C1. There you can find out with the numbers some clocks. So you have to find out the clock with correct relevant activity which is given in the in a letter, which represent a letter represented the activity. So to do this quickly, is a little bit method we have to use to make it easy to do it quickly. This is the way. First of all, you have to identify the clock in the order. So clock in the order you have to identify. Second step is convert the clock time in indication in digits. In figures you convert that. Third is check the text to see the correct time indication in words. So then you have to find out we convert it into digits, then you see that is in the time indication in word, then check the letter of the mentioned activity, then finally you can write the number and the letter, right? For example, we see we select the clock 2 we select, that is the time indication is 7:30, right? Now go to the page number 94, and see the description. In the description, second description, you can see je prends mon petit déjeuner à 7h30. So 7:30, what is the translation in French? 7h30. So in the second description you have, so that is telling je prends mon petit déjeuner à 7h30. Now go to the page number 95 and see what is the activity coming. So there is Olivier prend son petit déjeuner. Olivier take his breakfast, because now in the page number 94 it is I take, so I represent the Olivier. So in this exercise it's mentioned as he is doing, like a third person singular. This is first person singular, page number 95 how it is described, and the exercise it's described as third person singular. So we know that Olivier is the one who is taking the breakfast. So Olivier take the breakfast at, what is the time? 7:30. So that is the activity B. So for the second one, B is the answer. Likewise, you have to find out other things. So remember always the technique. First of all, identify the clock in the order. Correct clock. What is the clock? Just you can see the clock. This one within bracket, please ignore that. That is not relevant. Please ignore, it's a mistake. Step 2, convert the clock time indication into digits. Then you remember the time indication in word, because immediately convert into word. So because on page number 94 the time indication is given as a word, in word expression. Then check the text and see the time indication is there. Then come to the page number 95 again and see the activity with the letter. What is the activity? Finally write the number of the clock and the letter. So when you're doing the exercise, you no need to show the methodology. This methodology is given for you, explained for you, for the purpose of for you to do it easily. So when you're writing the answer, you can write a short answer and show to me, right? Then we will see the third exercise on page number 95. There you are asked to check your ability of the vocabulary and to write the description of a daily routine of a person. So what is coming? Le matin, je prends mon petit déjeuner à 7h15. In the morning, I take my breakfast at 7:15. Au collège, what is coming there? Cours. Les cours commencent à 9h. In school, in the college, the lesson starts at 9 o'clock. À midi, je prends what is coming? Le déjeuner à la cantine. Then l'après-midi, nous avons cours de 2h à 4h moins le quart. Pour le goûter, je mange du chocolat ou un fruit. Puis je commence mes devoirs. Le soir, nous prenons le dîner à 7h. So I have told the answers. So check the answers and the words also given in the case for you. So children, try to do those answers. Second one, A, write the words in correct order. Correctly write the answer. B, the information asked for right. C, you can write the short answers, and third one, you should write the complete description as exercise. okay, because the description writing will be considered in future too. So please write, don't write one method like that. Write the complete description, it's important. Okay, that's it with the online lesson 2. We'll meet in Zoom session 2 with relevant lesson.